I became afflicted with a chronic pain condition, 2 herniated discs in my lumbar spine. And so unwittingly, I became a pioneer in the opioid epidemic in the US. And so I was diagnosed in 1998 and began to be prescribed heavy duty opioid narcotic medications, having to admit in a group setting, introduce myself. Hi, I'm Dan and I'm an addict, was both terrifying and liberating in a way that I never would have anticipated. Just being able to speak the truth of that reality without having to continue to hide it in an increasingly desperate, anxiety and fear-driven sort of way.
Right.
So because I was not a young person at the time, I embraced treatment and recovery with an attitude of, I only want to do this once. I'm not going to put myself or those closest to me through this again. And so I became involved with the 12-step program that I'm still actively involved in, and fascinatingly, my professional knowledge, experience, and skill transitioned from an impediment to my recovery and healing in connection with it to really a wonderful resource where I was able to have a deeper and different understanding and perspective for the processes that I needed to go through and engage in. And radical recovery, recovery 2.0 or past that, 2.5, so much of the process to me has to do with the conscious awareness of where our internal processes begin to go off course in ways that are less healthy, in ways that don't serve us well, where our thinking begins to go astray, telling us various creative stories, pulling us back into the past, pushing us into the future, and effectively providing this waterfall of thoughts and images, which often have very little, if anything, to do with life in the here and now, with this moment right here.
Hello, this is Lynne Fraser with the Kiloby Center Radical Recovery Summit. We are so excited to bring you the lineup for January 10th to 19th, 2020. Go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to see the new headliners for 2020 and to sign up. You can watch free January 10th to 19th or buy an all-access pass.